Prasad SKR Government Degree College, Goodur. Columba livia, rock pigeon. This picture we all seen that Columba livia, superclass tetrapoda. The most distinguishing feature of birds is the possession of feathers, which do not occur in other animals. The study of birds is known as generally ornithology. Ornithology, the study of birds. Famous Indian bird scientist, we all know that Dr. Salim Ali, generally known as Birdman of India. He written these books, the Book of Indian Birds, The Fall of a Sparrow, Birds of Kerala. He studied all over the birds in Kerala. He written a book, Indian Birds, The Fall of Sparrow. This picture, this video, the flight of the birds, how they flight, beautiful. Birds, major groups of animals, they attract attention because of their flight. See how the birds are flying, tail of the birds, plumage because of their flight, colorful spring songs, strange migrations, many fascinating habits, and considerable economic value of man. Pigeons are quite familiar birds that we see every day of our lives. They have best suited for type study because of their convenient size, harmless nature, and easy. In the systematic position, this belongs to a kingdom, phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, superclass Tetrapoda, class Aves, subclass Neornithes, superorder Neognathae, order Columbiformes, genus Columba, species Livia. Types of pigeons, there are two types, wild type and domesticated types. The common wild pigeon, blue rock pigeon or rock dove. There are nearly 500 species of pigeons have been described. Generally known as the blue rock pigeon or rock pigeon, Columba livia. The domesticated pigeons differ from the wild pigeons. This is carrier pigeon, Giraj Bhat pigeon. This is Lotan Indian fancy pigeons, tumbler pigeons. This is Lahore pigeon. This is white Laika pigeon. This is different on the plumage and wings, feathers, etc. Slight differences depending of the geographical region. The distribution of the pigeons. Blue rock pigeons are widely distributed in Asia, Europe, and other North Africa, plenty in Israel or Palestine. This is Columba livia negletta is found up to 13,000 feet on the Himalaya. A smaller and darker race, Columba livia intermedia, is common throughout the Wild pigeon of Indian differ from that of Europe in having the rump of the lower part of the back ash colored increase the white, where the frequency of participation of cliffs of soft limestone that cases are recorded from India. A large and paler subspecies Columba livia negletta. It is found up to the 13,000 feet of Himalayan. Habitat, it is wild state pigeons lives in perfect freedom in ledges. These are the rock ledges. అంటే రాక్ లెడ్జెస్ ఈ రాతి సందులు అంటారు. ఈ రాతి సందుల్లో అక్కడక్కడ ఈ రాళ్ల పగళ్ళల్లో ఇవి జీవించడానికి ఇష్టపడతాయి. లెడ్జెస్ మీన్స్ హోల్స్ ఆఫ్ రాక్స్. ఓల్డ్ క్రంబ్లింగ్ బిల్డింగ్స్, ఫోర్ట్స్ అంటే ఇట్లాంటి కోటల పైన కూడా ఇవి జీవించడానికి ఇష్టపడతాయి. అంటే బీటలు పారిన పాడుబడిన బిల్డింగ్లు అంటే పగుళ్ళు పాడుబడి ఓల్డ్ బిల్డింగ్స్లో ఇవి ఎక్కువగా జీవిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. Pigeons are gentlest of all birds, timid, inoffensive, and harmless. They are considered living symbol of peace, harmony, and happiness. All over the world, they fly in flocks. Flocks means group of birds which can fly. Bird groups, పక్షుల గుంపును ఫ్లాక్గా మనం వర్ణిస్తాం. Food and feeding. Pigeons are vegetarian, feeding on grains, pulses, seeds of fruits, and grasses. These are the generally pigeon food. Commercially also available food, pigeon food. Locomotion. Powerful wings. The locomotion of bird, generally we all know that wings, but pigeons has powerful, strong flight. Sometimes walking on two legs is called bipedal gait. అంటే రెండు కాళ్ళతో గంతుతూ పోతాయి ఈ విధంగా. దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ బైపెడల్ గైట్. పిజియన్స్ ఆర్ మోనోగామస్ అంటే ఏకపత్ని. బ్రీడింగ్ సీజన్ ఆల్ ది ఇయర్. జనరలీ ఇంటర్నల్ ఫర్టిలైజేషన్, parental care is also required. That is called altricial. Altricial type of pigeons can carry males from one part to the another part. The altricial means young birds which needs protection. The care taking the parent birds for food and shelter for some time. This is called altricial. Precocious birds may not require the other events. External features. The shape of the bird is compact. It is a fusiform. It is a boat-shaped, streamlined body is well adapted for rapid flight and offer minimum resistance to air. Blue rock pigeon is slightly smaller than the common house crow and measures about 33 centimeters in length. Pigeon is a very beautiful bird. It is a stray slatty gray color with glitter glittering metallic green and purple on the upper beast around the neck. Eyes and legs, feet are pink in color. Rump is ash colored. Two prominent black bars on the wings. Pigeon body divisible into four parts: head, neck, trunk, tail. These are the four parts in the pigeon body: head, neck, trunk and tail. Head is a small in proportion to the body, which contains a beak. It is a straight and pointed bill or beak. No teeth in the both jaws. There is no teeth. Beak is a horny sheath called rhamphotheca. Beak contains a horny sheath. It is called rhamphotheca. At the base of upper beak, open the two slit-like external nares or nostrils. Head. Nostrils can apparently be closed by the cirri, C-E-R-E, cirri. Eyes, a pair of large eyes, lateral and rounded eyes. Each eye is guarded by an upper and lower eyelid and a transparent eyelid nictitating membrane. The eyelids are bare, without eyelashes and eyebrows. External ear opening behind each eye auditory aperture. Neck. Long and cylindrical neck is made very flexible by the modified cervical vertebrae. Serves for handling food. It serves for handling food. Compensates for the conversion of the forelimbs into wings. Wings is a compact, stout and spindle shaped, having prominent bony ridges called heel or carina. Heel or carina. At the end of the trunk, cloacal aperture is present. Trunk divided into two parts. The anterior thorax, these parts wings are attached. The posterior abdomen parts legs are attached. Here trunk divisible into two parts: anterior thorax and posterior abdomen. Anterior thorax attached wings, posterior abdomen legs are attached. Tail, small stumpy conical projection. This is generally Europigeum. It bears a fan-like groups of elongated tail feathers called rectrices. Rectrices. At the base of the tail, opening of large preen gland or uropygeal gland. This secretion is used for lubricating and dressing the feathers. The tail is used as a rudder in flight అంటే తెడ్డులాగా. రడ్డర్ మీన్స్ తెడ్డులాగా ఉండి ఇది ఎగరడంలో తోడ్పడుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ బ్యాలెన్సింగ్ అండ్ పర్చింగ్. బ్యాలెన్సింగ్ చేయడంలోను, ఎగిరేటప్పుడు ఒక సమతా స్థితి నెలకొల్పడంలోను, అండ్ పెర్చింగ్ అంటే కాళ్ళకు ఉండే ఏదైనా కొమ్మ మీద కానీ సన్నని తీగ మీద కానీ వాలినప్పుడు పక్షి అక్కడ ల్యాండ్ అయినప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్గా వాటికి ఉండే కాళ్లకు క్లిప్స్ లాగా దాన్ని పట్టేసుకుంటాయి వదలకుండా. దిస్ మెకానిజం జనరల్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ పెర్చింగ్. This is rock pigeon external features. Generally, see all the parts here. Please observe. This is beak. These are the nostrils. These nostrils covers overlapped with cirri. These are the round and pink eyes. This is almost round head or oval shape in head. Position of the external ear opening here behind the eyes. Neck region here. This complete trunk region. Contour feathers are there. Black bars, two black bars in the trunk region feathers. This wing feathers is called remiges. Tail feathers is called rectrices. This is very important. In the tail region, the feathers is known as rectrices. Rectrices. Wing feathers is known as remiges. These are called legs. Hind toe is called hallux. Scales of legs. This is abdominal region. This is breast, thorax, throat region, clawed anterior toes. Thank you for listening.